This is the project belongs to Stock Portfolio Tracker, and I wrote total 8 APIs in this project, and this is the workflow of each and every API in this project. At first, user have to register into the system by using username, email, and password. What are the credit details is given by the user. It were stored in MongoDB database. Here at present the database is empty and this refreshing nothing were present in my database. And next, after registration, user go for login. For login, user have to enter their email address and password. If any mistake or incorrection were present in by user logging, it directly throws an unauthorized access. And after the user logged in successfully, it generates a token for a specific user. By using the token, we can perform those operations. The token will get from middleware authorization and authentication by using JWT, JSON Web Token. It generates a token to a specific user. By using that test token, the user can able to perform these operations. The operations or user can able to create and stock by using stock name and how many quantity of stock were present with his and and company ticker and buying price for what price he had purchased those stock, and has him as like user able to update those stock details and user able to delete the stock and user able to get what stocks he have in in the system. Here, the objective of the system is to calculate and give overview of a particular user stocks. Like if user have particular stocks by using an external API. Here I'm using external API from 12data.com. There have JSON format all the stock values or current day stock values in JSON format. By using current day stock value to the user stocks, we can get the how much stocks were present, how much stock value represent the total stocks and the total stocks. The calculation it were held by external API. We are just fetching the external API and we are going to calculate total portfolio value and top performing stock and portfolio distribution among our stocks. I'm just going to sample explanation. Here user have three company stocks, one Apple and Tesla and Amazon. Here the Apple company have five quantity of stock and each stock value is 150 rupee, and Tesla company have three stocks, each stock value is 700 rupees, and Amazon have two stocks and it have each stock value is 3000 rupees. And this we have, and I'm fetching real time data nothing but current date and current time value of a particular company stock value. I'm just getting those values. These are not current values, I just took sample. Apple company stock value is 160 rupee and Tesla 720 and Amazon 3050. I'm just calculating total value among all stocks by using all stocks. Here, Apple company have five stocks, and Tesla have three stocks, and Amazon have two stocks. I'm just multiplying the stock value to current time stock value, and just getting 800 rupees for Apple, 2160 rupees for Tesla, and 6100 for Amazon. These are total value of my stocks. My all stock values is 9060 rupees. I'm just calculating among the top performing value. The top performing value is here Amazon. Why? Because current Amazon stocks value is 6100 rupees. Among all, it is greater. So that is the reason why I am returning Amazon stock value is 6100 rupee upon portfolio distribution. This is the formula for it. It's nothing but it just says how much contribution were present among all stocks. Yes, 67.33% contribution were present in total value Amazon have a highest contribution in those stocks, and 23.84 percentage for Tesla, and 8.83 percentage for Apple company. And here I wrote total 8 APIs for the in this project. I'm just going to explain each and everything. At first, registration API. It is an post API, and just post request and adding an user with username and email and password. I'm just starting my server npm run app. Yes, the server has started. The server is running on port 1324 and this initializing the port number 1324, and this is a post request that is I'm registering a user and just sending a request. Yes, the user had registered successfully. The user details were went to the database and just refreshing. Yes, the Tarun at the rate gmail.com added to my database. This is a password, hashed password. For privacy, I'm just hashing my password using bycrypt package in npm. And next API is an post API. It is an login API. I'm going to log in to the system using the API. Here I'm going to use only email and password. Username is not needed. Yes, I'm just hitting. Yes, one token had generated. This token is generated by JWT JSON Web Token. This token is used in my authorization. For specific user, we have a specific token from from JWT. And next API is an post API, and just add stock slash add adds a new stock to the user portfolio. I'm just going to add a stock. I'm going to add. It is a post request. I'm I wrote some stocks in my readme file. Sample stock. This is my sample stock. Yes, I had entered. This is an Apple stock, and the ticker is Apple. The quantity is 5, and buy price is each stock 150 rupees. I'm just hitting. 1 second, small I will get. Okay, it's in JSON format. Okay, stock added successfully. The stock went to two stocks in DB. I'm just refreshing. One stock I added. Apple quantity is 5 and buying price is 150 per stock. And this is my user ID. I'm using this ID. And next I'm going to add another stock, IBM stock, and the correct ticker is IBM. It have two stocks. Stock value is current stock value is buying price 100 rupees, and just hitting enter. Another stock added. I'm just refreshing. Another stock added IBM, and IBM quantity 2 and buy price 100. I'm just going to another stock named Amazon, AMAZON, the ticker AMZN, Amazon. It have stock. The stock value is 200 rupees. Yes, stock added successfully. Yes, Amazon stock were present here. This is the object ID is nothing but stock ID. And next API get API to get all the user stocks were present in user portfolio. My stocks it is and get request get get. These are stocks were present in a particular user. One Apple stock and IBM stock and Amazon stock which were present in our DB. I'm just fetching those three stocks. And next API is patch stock. Patch stock is nothing but to update a particular stock. Just I'm going to apply the thing patch request stock update. I'm going to update a particular stock, Amazon stock. I'm just copying Amazon stock ID and just keeping the ID here, and I'm changing to stock quantity to 4. Present the quantity of Amazon is 1. I'm going to update to 4 and the send request. I'm just refreshing. Yes, it changed to 4. As like same as the has same like I'm going to apply delete request. This is a delete request. I'm just going to delete this Amazon stock from my stock portfolio. Just hitting enter. Yes, the data had deleted. At present, it here present. I'm going to refresh. Yes, the data I'm going to erase it from the MongoDB database. Again, I'm going to add the thing. I want to add the database. Add and just post request. Yes, send it. Stock added successfully. Again, I'm refreshing. The stock were present here. And next, these all APIs completed. Next, portfolio metrics. These API get API stock and show prices. I'm using these show prices in here. Show prices. This is and get API. Here, at present, we have only three stocks: Apple, Amazon, and IBM. These stocks we have in our database. We are get this by hitting these get request. It will hit the external API, the name 12.data.com API. It have current dynamic value. It is a dynamic updating value. The current value of stock at current minute value we will get from it. Enter. Yes, these are the values getting from these are the current data, real-time data of a specific stock. We will get these from an external API. I'm just adding the same thing: IBM company, Apple company, and Amazon company. AMZN. Enter. Okay, these are the data we get. This data belongs to IBM company, and this data belongs to Apple company, and this data belongs to Amazon company. And here the close value were present. The close value means the company's last updated value of a particular stock, and just fetching these things here. The same thing were present here. I'm just calculating my overview of all stocks. This is an get request. This is an API for to calculate and return key metrics of users portfolio, such as total portfolio value, top performing stock, and portfolio distribution based on real-time stock prices. Okay. Now at present I have three company stocks: one Apple, IBM, and Amazon. I'm going to hit enter. Hitting the stock. Yes, I got the overall portfolio of my three company stocks. One total value is 1,882 point something. Total value of these stocks, all three stocks, and top in all those the top performing stock is Apple company. It comes with multiples of 5, 1213.6. It is the highest value whichever the user have, and the total portfolio distribution among three stock companies. Amazon company have contribution 11.81 percentage, IBM have 23.72 percentage, and Apple have 64.48 percentage. This is my project belongs to stock portfolio tracker. It fetches the real-time digester, fetches the real-time data and calculate the uh, values, what quantity of what quantity user will have, and by using the real-time data, it will get the total value and top performing stock value and get the top portfolio distribution among all companies. Okay, that's it.